Okay, so how to remove duplicates in an Excel spreadsheet. All you need to do is, you can see here we've got a massive spreadsheet with over 6,000 terms, keywords. In this particular case, what I do is select the whole of the data sheet, then go along the tab where it says data, click on it, and then you'll see here remove duplicates. So let's just get rid of that. All I need to do is click remove duplicates. It's asking me what headers I want, so I'm going to unselect them all and just do keywords, because I only want like here where it says what is a hand tool, that's obviously duplicate. So what we can do is we just click OK, and you'll see there's 880 duplicates in the whole list, so there's 4,401 unique values remaining, just like that. Thank you.